Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a brand new channel. It's early right now. I can't sleep. I have some upset stomach, and it's causing my we eat too much this day. And then plus my cramps just start waking me up right here. But guys, I want to tell you this: we just have a crazy storm uh, today, this morning. And I tried to go to sleep, and then my body's like breaking me up, breaking me up, breaking me up. But guys, let's check this out. This is and look, we got more over here. Hello. Guys, yeah, we just have a biggest thunderstorm. It's crazy, and it's heading that way to Salt Lake City. So it's probably heading to Vegas right now. Oh my god. And guys, so check this out. All things are rap. Everything's pretty hard. Things are pretty bad. Guys, right here, this is the legend for the house. But the person that's installed the thing that's in here, our cable, check this out. Our cable goes to there. So that's problem. See, look at what he did. I think it's not gonna. It's crazy. I don't know how that's gonna work. Look, guys, let me tell you this. Um, Me and mom, we were just talking. We were talking a little bit. And guys, check it above on my channel. Guys, this girl was in Texas. She's trying to get back to her. I broke up with her because she was trying to steal. my money. And I told her I'd be up in jail for 5 years with doing that. And she said, well, crap. Uh, so I told her, I said, I wanted to be alone. I got a lot of crap going on. And she's like saying, well, do you find a place to live? She's like, no, not yet. So I said, well, we'll talk soon. And she said, fine, I'll see you soon. And, yeah, we'll see. And I said, I probably we need us more space sometime next year because she needs to stop. She needs to take care of herself, and she don't want to do it. So, well, guys, I was just wanting to show you this. This is crazy. Last night we hit a lot of storms. This annoying. I've been up a couple times because like turning and walk through the looks like something's barring me, so I gotta walk through a bit. Well, guys, I'm gonna close this vlog. So, drive to this channel. This is crazy. If I was to live in Tucson, and if we hit a heavy rain or light thunder, oh god, it's gonna, it'll be crazy. It'll be crazy. Well, guys, I'll see you next time. All right, take care.